Hello and welcome to Last Week in AWS. I'm Corey Quinn. We begin with a correction from last week. An eagle-eyed reader saw a nuance to AWS's recent price cut for NVIDIA GPU instances. It seems that people who'd taken out a savings plan prior to or slightly afterwards won't see a reduction in the instance price they pay for the remainder of their term. It's ambiguous, and I could be wrong, but that's kind of the point. This is pretty expensive to be this ambiguous. This episode is brought to us by our friends at Dynatrace. Today's development teams do more than ever, but challenges like fragmented tooling, reactive debugging, and rising complexity can break flow and stall innovation. Dynatrace makes troubleshooting outages easy with a unified observability platform that delivers AI-powered analysis and live debugging. That means less time grappling with complexity, more time writing code, and a frictionless developer experience. Try it free at Dynatrace.com. Now, what else did AWS get up to last week? Amazon EFS is now available in the AWS Asia Pacific Taipei region. This is a delightful spin on we missed last week's launch window for the new region, so now we're going to push it out and get another +1 in our launched features KPI. Amazon S3 Tables now provides storage cost visibility for individual tables. Translation, AWS finally figured out that how much does this specific table cost is a question actual humans ask. The implementation? Well, this is AWS at its best. Your tasks include enabling resource-level data, navigating Cost Explorer, configuring CUR reports, and waiting for a gradual rollout. It's like they asked, what's the most complicated way to show a number, and then added 2 more steps. AWS Console mobile application adds support for CloudWatch log insights. Hell yes. And no, I'm not being sarcastic when I say hell yes. I want to know what the heck is going on when I get paged at dinner about my app breaking, and log insights is one of the best tools to figure that out from a phone. Now get Amazon Q to be able to consult its output and then talk to Siri. In a few years, I'll be able to ask my phone why the site broke without taking the thing out of my pocket. That's a cool future. AWS launches public preview of Elastic VMware Service, or EVS. AWS fires a warning shot directly into Broadcom's bulbous ass as it throws their customers/hostages a life raft. Stream multi-channel audio to Amazon Transcribe using the Web Audio API. Okay, credit where due here. This post inspired me to build something zany. Claude Code is over in my terminal, building it out now as I record this podcast version of my newsletter. Here's a fun offer. If you're on the Amazon Transcribe team, get in touch and I'll tell you about it. Amazon to launch second secret cloud region in 2025. My dude, I'm afraid you've broken confidentiality by posting this. The secret's out. This episode is sponsored by my own company, the Duckbill Group. Having trouble with your AWS bill? Perhaps it's time to renegotiate a contract with them. Maybe you're just wondering how to predict what's going on in the wide world of AWS. Well, that's where the Duckbill Group comes in to help. Remember, you can't duck the Duckbill bill, which I am reliably informed by my business partner is absolutely not our motto. CVE 2025-6031, Insecure Device Pairing and End-of-Life Amazon Cloud Cam. Attention shoppers, that Cloud Cam gathering dust since Amazon killed it in 2022. It's not just obsolete, it's actively dangerous. When powered on, it tries to call its defunct mothership, fails, then opens itself to any passing attacker like a digital barn door. Amazon's security team dutifully posted this consumer product warning in, the AWS Enterprise Security feed, because nothing says we care about consumer product safety like burying critical vulnerabilities where only DevOps teams can find them. Hardware from Amazon. Come for the features, stay because you forgot to check the AWS RSS security feed. And finally, AWS screwed up the What's New at AWS page. The What's New at AWS page is now only viewable 8 posts into the past at a time, and it stops 2 years back. I have a backup myself, but this is both useful and important to customers. I'm hoping this is an intermediary step to something greater, because if it's not, well, if I had that decision maker's lack of self-awareness, I'd legally classify as furniture. And that's what happened last week in AWS. I'm Corey Quinn. Please stay with me here.